Today we are going to learn about that simple harmonic motion. It is also said to be as SHM. So described as oscillatory motion in which the acceleration of the particle, acceleration means the particle revolving in a circular path, is at any position is directly proportional to the displacement of the mean value. This is the displacement is represented in this as y. O to n is displacement, and the particle is moving in a circular path. Displacement from the mean position. On is defined as the mean position. We will say that the particle is moving in an oscillatory motion from this position. So the particle is moving. So this is the displacement. This is the displacement. So we need to find here the angle. So to find here the angle, we say that we use sine theta opposite by hypotenuse. So this is the opposite and this is the hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. The opposite is on by hypotenuse is op. So sine theta is represented as omega t is equal to on is represented as y, that is displacement, and a is taken as op. So op is written as a. So now a sine omega t is equal to y. This is equation 1. Now y is equal to a sine omega t. So we say that this is equation 1. Now differentiate on both sides dy by dt with respect to t. So dy by dt a is written outside d sine omega t by dt. Now dy by dt is equal to sine omega t is written as cos omega t. So a cos omega t into omega. So dy by dt is written as v a cos v omega sine cos omega t. So this is equation 2. So this cos omega t is written as a omega. Cos is written as now under root 1 minus sine omega t. Sine omega t. So now 1 minus sine square omega t. So now we derived the cos is written in this form, like cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So we sine cos square is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Now cos square is sent on that side, so it becomes 1 minus sine square theta. So that's the reason it came here 1 minus sine square theta. Now sine is written as ya. So a omega 1 minus sine square is written as y by a whole square. So v is equal to a omega under root a square minus like I am taking here the LCM, a square by y square a. So square and root gets cancelled for a. So now v is equal to a omega a square minus y square under root is for only so a gets cancelled. So now we write v is equal to omega a square minus y square. So v is written omega is written as angular velocity and a is acceleration, y is the distance and the t taken here as time. So this is simple harmonic motion. It takes the velocity, this much velocity, as we have derived the simple harmonic motion SHM. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please comment below. Thanks for watching.